Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears and Sprite. We will go through the entire process, from gathering your ingredients to enjoying your homemade candies. You will need unflavored gelatin, a small amount of water, and, of course, your favorite lemon-lime soda. This guide will help you create delicious, fizzy gummies that are perfect for any occasion, offering a delightful twist on a classic snack. First, let's prepare our gummy base. You will need to bloom 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin in about 1/2 cup of cold water. Simply sprinkle the gelatin over the water in a small saucepan and let it sit undisturbed for 5 to 10 minutes. This process allows the gelatin granules to absorb the liquid and swell, creating a thick, jelly-like consistency. This step is vital for achieving the perfect chewiness in your finished gummy bears. Now, it is time to infuse our gummies with that delightful Sprite flavor. Place your saucepan with the bloomed gelatin over low heat, stirring constantly until the gelatin is completely dissolved and clear. Do not let it boil. Then, slowly pour in 1 1/2 cups of Sprite, stirring gently to combine without losing too much carbonation. Once mixed, carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone gummy bear molds, filling each cavity evenly. Finally, the moment of truth, setting and enjoying your creations. Place your filled gummy molds into the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours, or until they are completely firm to the touch. Once set, gently pop each gummy bear out of its mold. These fizzy, flavorful treats are best enjoyed fresh. Store any remaining gummies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week to maintain their texture and taste.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.